Yo, where does my golden? And you might be wondering, why am I not calling out Bubbles anymore? Well, I changed my username. I now have Golden Faith. I went from Is Bubbles to Golden Faith. Reason why I changed it to Golden Faith is because if now I don't have to show my text. It's because of this. This is my Discord username. Golden Faith. You might not be able to do that though. So if you want to add me, just ask me. I'll change my username so you guys can add me. So we're going to the fountain this phone to test our luck. Yes, I still have Bubble on my name, so I'm gonna change that real quick. To Faith. You guys call me Faith from now on. If you can call me Golden if you want, but I'd rather go with Faith instead. As you stand by the fountain of dreams, you think about your life and what the key to your happiness would be. You close your eyes, visualize your dream coming true, and cast your wish upon the gentle waters. Let's make a wish. My teddy bear is so cute. You wait by the fountain. You wait by the fountain, and after you're making your wish, and suddenly hear something, and nearby you turn around to find a fluffy white ball sticking out of a bush. You approach the mysterious object out of curiosity. You got the circular shape and only to hear something yell, "Ow, that hurt!" You jump back in. Let's apologize. You apologize to the creature and say, "Hey, you can pay it back in diamonds." The creature responds saying, "No, you don't have to do that. You are secretly relieved to be saving your precious diamonds, but still feel bad. You ask if the creature would like to come to your house for lunch instead. The creature responds saying, "Sure, that would be great." When the creature comes out of the bush, it turns out to be a Easter bunny. He's still enjoying his springtime in the park. You both head to your apartment and order a pizza, which turns out to be the Easter bunny. It turns out it's the Easter bunny's favorite food. You end up having a great time and become good friends. When this bunny goes home, you gain experience from making a new friend. Well, that was just XP, but that was good. That's a good story. So, we're going to be talking about some of the updates recently. So, I'm thinking that the beach update will be on like the 20th. I don't know about the journal update though. Maybe somewhere in July. I'm going to talk about the apartments right now. So, hold on, one area. Let's go to my apartment. You guys will be knowing why I went to my apartment soon. So, we're at my apartment. Yeah, my friends cannot come in right now because I'm filming the video. I can't let them interrupt. So, about the apartments. The apartments are really spacious and pretty cool. But wouldn't it be nicer they got reworked. It would be nice if they got reworked. Alright, so like the fridge could open. Like you could just open up the fridge and there would be food inside. And you can actually cook things. There would be more items in here. It would be nice if there would be more items in here. More usable items, like for example, the sugar, the flour, the cereal, the quick dinners, the pasta, the chips, the healthy snacks, the fresh bread, the chocolate, the fruit. Honestly, if those could be interactive, so that would be nice. It would make this game become more alive. And maybe upgrade the beds. You can like make a bunk bed or something. Like you can actually build a bunk bed. You just have to get like supplies from over here to get started. And maybe a bit more activities on the computer. So I spend a lot in streak. And a reworked bathroom. Like have a bigger tub. A bigger bathroom. The mirror these two things be interactive. The sink, you can actually wash your hands. Yeah. And maybe make the apartment more bigger. The couch can say how it is, so it's perfect. But maybe add a little bit more stuff to it to be a little bit more interactive. And please, like make some of these things interactive. Like these, if you have this, you can put it on. It'll give you an animation to put them on. And you can actually put shoes up here. Since I'm feeling a little bit bored of pink, I think I'm gonna do some blue. That's better. So, and make the cabinets interactive. You can actually put stuff in. Like for example, you just open up here. You grab some things from there, put them in the cabinet. And make this little area a little bit more spacious. That would make it a little bit more, make it more alive. But overall, the apartment is good. But I think it should get reworked. Wouldn't that be cool if it got reworked? Now we're going to talk about Fantasia Hotel. I honestly love Barbie's builds, but this is just one of the builds I don't really like that much. So, this is the Fantasia Hotel. It could be better. I'm not saying that in like a rude way. It's actually pretty cool, but if it could get reworked and have more floors, that would be nice. And you can actually get staff only, and you can only get in here if you're staff. Are these even usable? Okay. Segways are usable. Maybe add like a bit of a gun or something and for the things, in case like there's like a break-in. You know what I mean? Oof. And also, my videos won't be always about Oh my gosh. The videos won't be always about Royal High. They might be about some other games. We might play Break-In, Adopt Me. Who knows? I'm losing my mind. Okay, so the next video will be about Break-In. So yes, we're gonna be playing. Oh God, Break-In. But I would like if you added a flying ability. That would be nice. So you could just explore it. And I really want the salon to be reworked, and the garden dorms. I don't even know what am I talking about. Garden suites. If Barbie could add the flying ability here, that would be nice. Cause honestly, I miss us flying here. We never actually fly here, but I honestly want to fly here. So we're going to our dorm, which is room 4, and let's make our way up. My dorm's right over there. My dorm is right behind me. Well, let me just okay. There's not really anything wrong with the apartments, but if there could be like more stuff that's interactive, that would be nice. You don't have to, Barbie, though, because as I know how much you work on this game anyways. Maybe get this room reworked and make it a little bit more spacious and a little bit more interactive. And make it to where only you can do this. Only you can unlock your apartment and stuff, so they don't end up going out randomly. And make a little thing where please make sure this don't levitate again, and make them a little bit easier to control, because honestly I can't control. They're really hard for me to control. I hope my teddy bear doesn't get wet. My teddy bear's wet. My teddy bear's wet. Now it's completely wet. Oh God. So thank you so much for watching. Breaking will be coming after this video. I'm going to be uploading 2 days, 2 videos in 2 days. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos in 1 day each day. But soon enough, I might need to take a break from YouTube. But I'm trying my best. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.